1989 Chevy Silverado with a 355/7 motor right there, as you guys can see. Really nice truck. Very rare to find these trucks anymore. So if you do have one, make sure you keep it. So as you guys can see, it's true dual. Somebody else did all this work. They took the cat off and true dualed it from the manifolds back all the way back. And what we did, as you can see from the new welds, is just barely did a muffler delete. He had a MagnaFlow on it. It was way too quiet for him. So we took it up and continued the true dual, 2 straight pipes out on each side, 2 1/4 there, and then all the way true dual 2 1/4, by the way, into 4-inch roll tips there and there that he had before. There's the MagnaFlow muffler that was on it, a dual in, dual out. We took it off right there, 24-inch, and straight piped it in this place. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe. And if you don't know, we're in Nashville, Tennessee, Music City, USA. So if you have any questions or anything, come hit us up. Sorry about the weather, guys. It's really bad today. Oh, it's better. There we go. There's that clap. Wow. Again. 124. Here's sound decibel. 124. Wow. What do you think, man? You approve? Yeah. Hell yeah. Go ahead and back it up. What, you agree?
Yes, sir.
The louder the better, right?
Yeah.
Did you get a sticker?
It covers the range.
Yeah. Tennessee, that's all that's going. Let you guys hear on the inside. '89 Chevy Silverado, single cab, 350, true dual straight pipe. You guys want no cats, nothing.